This is the Wi-Fi extender from TP-Link. This is a device you'll plug in halfway from your router and your dead zone. This allows you to reach areas of the house where you have weak or no signal. There's a couple of ways you can set this up. You can press the WPS button on the device and your router, which will connect the two. Or you can download the app and set it up that way, which I'll show you. I'm going to download the Tether app and follow through these steps. I'm going to press the plus in the top right corner, then range extender, and then select your range extender. Here it asks to set a password. Then you're going to select your Wi-Fi router you want to connect to and put in the password. Now it's all set up, ready to go. On the right hand side of the Wi-Fi extender, there's an Ethernet port that allows you to plug into your PC, laptop, console, and etc. Here's some of the settings. Now we'll do a speed test on the original Wi-Fi router. Now we're going to click on the Wi-Fi extender. So the download speed is around 60 megabytes per second, and the upload speed was about the same, 50 megabytes per second. So the upload speed wasn't the same, it was less, but this allows me to reach areas of the house where there's no signal or weak signal. TP-Link do many different models of this Wi-Fi extender, which ranges in price.